Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up recurring payments in your Wise account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up recurring payments in TransferWise anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and with so many payments going out, sometimes it's better to set up their monthly or weekly payment on a recurring basis. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wise dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my TransferWise account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a recurring payment, you're on the left side, you're going to click on the scheduled button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on this green button, schedule transfer. Okay, next you're going to see all of your recent transactions and recipients right here. So go ahead and choose who you're setting up the recurring payment to. If you don't see them here, you can go ahead and click right here and add a recipient. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and add this person. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and choose how much the recurring payment's going to be for. So let me go ahead and just add a small amount. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the payment method right here. Once you've chosen the payment method, you can see right here it says today arrives in seconds. So in order to set up a recurring schedule, you're going to click right here, schedule, green button. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and choose a date. So today's May 22nd. So let's say that we're setting this up for June 1st. Okay, once you've chosen a date, you're going to see this box pop up, repeat. So here we can go ahead and choose how often this recurring payment's going to go. We can do weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. So I'll choose monthly. And now you can go ahead and choose how long this recurring payment is going to go for. So when is the end date? So we can click right here, and then the first payment's June 1st. And let's say that we want to go ahead and just have this go for 1 year. So we'll go here, 2026, June 1st. Okay, so it's going to start on June 1st. It's going to repeat monthly on the first day one of every month, and then it's going to stop on June 1st. So once you set that up, go ahead and click on set schedule. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to set up the recurring payment for this particular person. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring payment schedule in your TransferWise account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.